Good afternoon, class. Our topic today is about introduction to vectors in Rn. Okay, so we have now the introduction to vectors. A vector is a mathematical object that has both magnitude or the length and the direction. So, kung mayroong line, ang vector naman ay line with an arrowhead. Vectors can be used to represent the following. We have the displacement and the velocity, the force, the acceleration, position, direction, and coordinates in space and distance. Okay, so yan lang po ay mga ilan po sa mga applications na kung saan ang vectors ay
Mga bata, babarino ko.
representation of vectors. So you have V equals the set of 1, 4 is a vector in R2. You have U 1, negative 2, negative 5 is a vector in R3. Okay, so therefore U with a set of U sub 1, U sub 2, and so on and so forth up to U sub n is a vector in R to the n. Definition of R to the n. The symbol R represents the set of all real numbers. Thus, R to the n means the set of all vectors with n real number component.
Saan dapat maganda yung bahay natin?
Okay, example, if we have R1 is equal to the set of X such that X is element of R. Okay, so basa natin yung such that X element of R. R2 equals the set of X comma Y such that X comma Y is element of R. R3 is the set of X, Y, Z such that X, Y, Z are element of R. In general, R to the n is equal to the set of X sub 1, X sub 2 up to X sub n such that X sub I or the individual element here are element of R. So example of vectors in R to the n. So we have the vectors and then we have the space. So ibig sabihin, ito pong ating parang power, no, ay R1, 1 is the dimension or the space. Okay? So if we have the vector 3, so that is in R1. So vectors natin 1, 2, ibig sabihin it is in R2. The vector 0, negative 1, positive 3, that is in R3. So if we have 3, negative 1, 1, negative 2, 5, and that is in R4. If we have 2, 3, negative 4, 0, negative 2, and that is in R5. So this is space. So tinutukoy natin, pag sinabi natin R2, ibig sabihin dalawang element lang ang ating vectors. Important observations. So the number of components determine the space. For example, if we have 0, negative 1, 3, 5, which is the element of R4, this cannot be a vector in R5 because it has 4 components. So kung apat ng components niya, so it should be in R4, no? So hindi pwede siya maging nasa R5 kasi apat lang ang kanyang component. So we have equality of vectors. Two vectors are said to be equal if and only if they have, number 1, the same number of components, and number 2, the corresponding components are equal. Example, if I have here the vector u such that, or the element of u sub 1, u sub 2 up to u sub n, and the vector v, b sub 1, b sub 2 up to v sub n, okay, then u is equal v if u sub I is equal to v sub I for every element of I. So ibig sabihin dapat parehas yung element nila, no, para masabi natin that the vectors is equal. Hindi po ibig sabihin na yung dimension ay parehas. Halimbawa, kung tatlo ang U, tatlo din ang V, so pwedeng parehas na po ang kanilang, equal na po ang kanilang vectors. Pero titingnan po natin example para mas maintindihan natin. Example, determine whether U equals the set of 2, negative 3, 6, and V, we have 2, negative 3, 6 are equal. So, titingnan natin yung dalawang vectors na to kung equal ba sila parehas. So, we have to compare the corresponding components. Okay, ang component ng U, you have 2, and then sa component ng V, unang component niya is 2 din. Okay, so 2 is equal to. Second component, negative 3, and then negative 3. So, negative 3 equals negative 3. Third component ay 6 equals to 6. So, dahil parehas po lahat, ibig sabihin, the vector U and V are equal. Okay? So, equal po sila parehas, no? Silang dalawa. Tingnan natin itong another example. Example 2. Determine whether U is equal to the set of 1, 4, 5 and V is the set of 1, 5, 4 are equal. Okay, so compare natin. So, yung element niya, so una, 1 equals 1. So, tama. Pangalawa, 4 equals 5. So, hindi po sila equal. Okay, 4 and 5 is not equal. Okay? So, sa pangalawang element pa lang, nagkaroon na ng problema which the two element is not equal. Therefore, vector U and V is not equal. Okay? So, hindi po sila equal. Ha? So, ibig sabihin, kahit sabihin natin, parehas ang kanilang dimensions, ang vector U mayroong tatlong component, ang vector V ay may tatlong component, hindi po sila ibig sabihin equal agad. You have to check the component one by one. Okay? Now, we have row and column vectors. A vector may be written as either a row vector or a column vector. For example, if we have U is the set of 1, 4, 5 is a row vector, while U is equal to the matrix 1, 4, 5, and this is a column vector. So, dahil naka-column siya, yung isa naman ay naka-row, no? So, pwedeng column vector, pwede namang row vector. But commonly, yung mga column vectors kasi, kadalasan yung mga ginagamit, ina-apply natin sa linear equations, no? System of linear equations. So, we have the components of a vector. A vector V is which equals to the set of V sub 1, V sub 2, okay, and V sub n. And the numbers b1, b2 up to b sub n are called the components or the coordinates of the vector. So, ibig sabihin, ito pong component of a vector, yung nandun yung quantity, yung number, no, ng vectors na nandun sa loob. For example, if we have v is equal to the set of 1, negative 2, 7, 4 has the following component, okay, ang b sub 1 is 1, ang b sub 2 ay negative 2, b sub 3 ay 7, ang b sub 4 ay 4. So, therefore, V is element of R4. Kasi bakit R4? Dahil apat po ang kanyang components. Okay? So, yun po ay component of the vectors. Okay? Thank you very much for listening and watching in this YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, Matuto Dapat, sapagkat ang kaalaman ay isang mahalagang kayamanan na dapat nating ingatan at pagyamanin. Muli, this is Engineer Eduardo Tapia, your professor. Maraming salamat and God bless you.